The Lydian mode is the harmonic and melodic fundament of many different songs and genres. Why is writing in this mode so effective, and how can you start using it? Hey everybody, Xander here. Welcome to Learning Music Skills, the place where I talk about all kinds of music topics for becoming a better songwriter, producer and musician. Let's get creative. I have 4 Lydian chord progressions lined up for you. All of them are in a different style and exhibit a different character. I wrote the film music, dance music, perfume piano music and a singer-songwriter-like example for this episode today. And along the way, while we're exploring these Lydian chord progressions, I'll give you some more tips and music theory insights. Here is Lydian chord progression number 1. To make the Lydian mode, we take a major scale and we raise the 4th scale degree by half a step. And now we build on each scale degree a triad, and voila! We have our complete harmonic and melodic resource. Our first chord progression was in C Lydian. This means that the F sharp is our raised 4th scale degree. The example already sounds great. But what if we wanted to accentuate the Lydian mode even more? We can do that by adding a melody, which will emphasize the F sharp a little bit more, so we can get that nice Lydian flavor. This brings us to Lydian progression number 2. I have applied the Lydian mode to a heavy electronic and synth-oriented track. The example is from my own music project called Facing Mountains. It is an excerpt from the drop section of the song called Echo Returns. The link is in the description if you like. This part is in G Lydian, and the raised 4th tone that is unique to the Lydian mode is the C sharp in this case. As you can see, the melody emphasizes the C sharp on many occasions, so the result is that the Lydian mode is really noticeable. If you want your chord progression to sound like it's in the Lydian mode, then you need to emphasize the chords that have the raised 4th scale degree in them, because this is the tone that's unique to the Lydian mode. In case of the Lydian mode, the chords on the 2nd, 4th and 7th scale degree have the raised 4th, in our case the C sharp, in it. But we cannot use the 4th scale degree, because this is a diminished chord and this wants to take us back to the parent major scale, which is, in our case, D major. So in Lydian the most important triads are the tonic triad, the 2nd scale degree and the 7th scale degree. This brings us to Lydian progression number 3. Maybe you've noticed that in this example we don't have any of the important chords that I just mentioned, except for the tonic chord. Let's have a closer look. Because we're using 7th chords now, also the 5th scale degree has the raised 4th note in it, which is the major 7 of that chord. And also when we take a look at the melody, it plays the F sharp subtly, and this is the raised 4th scale degree, so this thickens our perception of the Lydian mode. This takes us to our last example, Lydian progression number 4. Days is part mode can really evoke some dreamy and emotional textures, don't you agree? It's not without reason that many songwriters like to use it, because it's just so good at conveying a personal message. In this example, we really confirm that C is our tonic. And also the pedal tone on G strengthens the dominant of our tonic chord. The chord on the 7th scale degree, which has the raised 4 in it, creates some nice friction with the pedal note G. And again, just like our previous examples, the melody confirms in a beautiful way that we're in the Lydian mode. When you want to write in a certain mode, you need to think about how you are going to confirm the mode. It's important that you find out which note is unique for the mode that you want to use. And then also you find out which chords have this note in it. Once you find out what the chords are, then you use these chords more often than other chords because this confirms the mode. But be careful and don't forget to avoid the diminished triad, because this one wants to take you back to the parent major scale, and this is not what we want. The Lydian mode is really unmistakably beautiful and versatile. In this video I only highlighted a few options that you have in the Lydian mode, but there are of course far more possibilities out there. And if you have any good examples, be sure to share them with us. In any case, that was it for the beautiful Lydian mode. If you have any topic requests or suggestions, drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And for now, see you next time.